Hi everyone, it's Laura from ClickFix, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can pre-fill fields when you create an Ontraport page using one of our shortcodes. I am in the Ontraport page builder and I have a small form right here with 5 fields, and I'm going to show you how I am going to pre-fill the phone number field and this dummy field. So I'm gonna call this shipping. So this is gonna be the shipping field, and then I'm gonna go to the custom code and to the header code, and here I have the publish page. So the first thing that I want to do is check for the field IDs. I do this by using the ClickFix Chrome extension, which can show you the field IDs, the block IDs, element IDs, and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna click on show field IDs, and here I have all the names. As you can see, some of these fields are called as the field, and some others have a code that starts with an F. So I go to the code, and here is the code that I'm using for this demo. So first, if the field country is United States, the field SMS number is going to be filled with +1, which is the country code. This is one example of how you can use this shortcode. So yeah, when someone clicks on United States, it's going to be filled with +1, but if they choose another country, then they're not gonna have a country code. They have to type it themselves. And the second way, I'm going to using this shortcode in this demo. So I'm going to fill this field, which you can see right here, which is the shipping field, with tracked shipping. So I have two options. Here you can see that I created two options for these fields, so it's tracked and untracked shipping. But when the user first gets to this page, it's going to be pre-filled with the tracked shipping option. So let's go ahead and publish. And here, as you can see, the field is filled with tracked shipping, but they can change between these two. And now when they go and choose their country, if they click on United States, it's going to be filled with a +1. So I hope that you find this shortcode useful, and you can use it in many other ways. These are just two examples, and thanks for watching.